Welcome to ChatGPT. Are you struggling to come up with ideas for your blog or story? Do you want to save time and effort in creating content? Then ChatGPT might be the solution for you. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can generate content for you. It uses natural language processing to understand your prompts. You can use it for a variety of content, including blogs, stories, and more. The first step is to enter your prompt. This can be a topic or a sentence that you want the AI to expand on. ChatGPT will then generate content based on your prompt. You can choose the length and style of the content you want. You can also refine the content by giving ChatGPT feedback. This will help the AI produce more accurate content in the future. ChatGPT can help you overcome writer's block. It can also be a great resource if you're short on time. You can use ChatGPT to generate content in a fraction of the time. The AI can also provide fresh perspectives on your topic. This can be particularly useful for brainstorming and ideation. You can use ChatGPT to generate multiple ideas in a short amount of time. The content generated by ChatGPT is not perfect. You may need to edit and refine it before publishing. However, it is a great starting point for your content creation. It can help you come up with new angles and ideas. Using ChatGPT can also increase your productivity. You can spend less time on content creation and more time on promotion. ChatGPT can be used by anyone, regardless of their writing skills. It can generate content that is suitable for beginners and experts alike. You can also use ChatGPT to learn new things. The AI can generate content on a variety of topics. This can be a great way to expand your knowledge base. Using ChatGPT is easy and intuitive. It doesn't require any programming skills or technical knowledge. All you need is an internet connection and a web browser. So, why not give ChatGPT a try? It could be the tool you need to take your content creation to the next level. With ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless.
Hey, this is Chappell North. Thanks again for watching the video. If you'd like to get more videos like this, click the link below this video, and we'll have some more videos for you that you can watch that will teach you how to use ChatGPT for beginners. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.